Hi, welcome to the Carestream NDT YouTube video channel. I'm Steve Mango, Technical Manager for Carestream NDT, and today I'm going to show you an overview of the HPX1 digital viewing software, showing you how to start up and do the basic operations of the viewing system. When you start up your Industrix digital viewing software, you'll see the logon screen that looks like this, and you also want to go back with the reader and power up the reader. Now, on the login screen, you'll see at least three icons. One is an IDX admin, which I like to use all the time because the admin person has the authority to set certain restrictions for the operators on certain functions. The IDX full has no restrictions, but he can't set any restrictions either. And then there'll be one or more operators. Now, the system comes just like this with an admin, a full, and an operator, but you can create as many operator accounts as necessary. So I'm going to log on as an admin, okay, and wait for the Industrix screen to come up. In the meantime, you're looking at the status light on the reader. It means right now that it's busy doing something that I asked it to do. If it was a full green, it means it would be ready to scan. A blinking green would be that it's in the erase only mode. Blinking orange means that it's looking for some message. In other words, look on the workstation, on the monitor, to see if there's some message and it's asking you to do something. And then finally, red would be an error state, which I rarely see, but if it turns red, that means something is off in some wrong direction and you need to take care of that. Okay, so we have the system started. I'm logged on and I'm going to click on the Industrix icon to start the software. Okay, and this is what we call the splash screen, and I'm ready to either open a folder or do some other functions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say File, Open Folder, and go to my Images folder right here, and open up some demo images folder. What looks good here? Let's do this one here because it has some nice pipes and things in it. If I move the cursor down to the bottom, I'm going to see a bunch of thumbnails. This is all the images that I have in that current folder that I have open. And that's basically how you start the system. Now, if I double click on any one of these, of course, I will open that image into the workspace. That's basically what it takes to open and start Industrix. The other way to check to see that your system is communicating between the reader and the computer is look at your icon up here. There's an icon of a reader, and when communication is established, the icon will be active. Otherwise, the icon will be grayed out. So right now, I have my icon active, my green light is on, my system is all started up and ready to scan and acquire an image.